आयतारा म्युझिकल वॉरियर्सांनी पणजेत म्हादय संदर्भात सरकारा आड निदर्शनां काढली. म्हादयचो प्रश्न कोर्टात आसतना मुखेलमंत्री पर्रेकरान कर्नाटकाक पत्र बरयला ते कर्नाटकांत जावपी वेंचणुकां खातीर आसा म्हण ह्या वेळार म्युझिकल वॉरियर्स संघटनेचे वांगडी उलयल्यात. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
संवसाराची जी माजी आसा सगळेच आमी कलाकार, आमी तरी सायड कलाकार, तूं हिरो आशिल्लो तेंच सांगपाक मुखेलमंत्र्याक तूं विलन जायना का, आतां हिरोच राव आनी आमची आदय वाचय आनी नाका आशिल्ली स्टेटमेंट करनाका.
Stating that he has no problems if Goa shares the Madai waters to Karnataka on humanitarian grounds. Now, some of you will say, what's wrong in that? But I'll tell you what's wrong. The letter that Parrikar sent is wrong because the matter of the Madai water is before the tribunal. The tribunal is presiding over it, and this battle has been going on for many years. So what made Parrikar to send a letter when he knows that the matter is before the courts? Now this is the question. You must remember that at one point in time it was Parrikar himself who went to the court. It was when the Karnataka government had already got a sanction from the Water Resource Minister of India for 7.5 TMC of water, and that's the time Parrikar moved to the tribunal. So what made him to make a U-turn now? Because there are elections happening in Karnataka, and Yedurappa had made a promise to the people of Karnataka that by December 15 he will resolve the water problems of Karnataka, and they were under tremendous pressure. So to ease the pressure of Yedurappa, the BJP forces connived and maybe pressurized Parrikar to send that letter so that Yedurappa can go back to those people in Karnataka in their public meetings and wave that letter of Parrikar around and say, see here, we got this letter from Parrikar saying that they will resolve their water resource. That Parrikar is fooling with the sentiments of the Goan people. He's playing with our lives here. So we know that nothing will come out of his letter, but if he has got any intentions to fool the people of Goa, we want him to stop right here. And this protest is about all that. We hope देवांतका थोडे किन्यान दिल्यार बरो ITI केल्लो तो मनीस, पण ताका इतलें तरी हें ना, किन्यान ना आमचे उदीक काबार जाल्यार गोंयचो लोक कितें करतलो? गोंयकार टँकराचें उदीक खाता. They pay for their money. Some of them don't get water even if they pay for it.